This next video will show you how to enter documentation as your evidence. It begins on page 19 of the user manual. When you are in SPOL, you're going to click on the plus sign next to Document Management. To get to that page, you're going to need to open up the Outcome section in which you need to upload evidence, either annual plan or program learning outcomes. And then you're going to click the View button next to the learning outcome that you need to add evidence. Down on the bottom of that page, you will see the Document Management section. To add a document, you click the plus sign. This will open up your document management area on the left-hand side. One thing new to SPOL this year is that you should only have permissions to view a certain files. So you will not see the long lists of files as you see here on my screen. You should only see the file related to your particular area. This will help with your navigation. You also will see the common evidence file as well. In addition, you'll see the new updated user manual file and the yearly assessment analysis file. To locate where you want to upload your information, you make sure you click on your folder, and it should be the only one listed. Each folder should have the years. Make sure you click on the actual year that you want to upload your files. Click the plus or the arrow sign next to it to make sure you are uploading your file into the correct folder. Once you go into your folder, you click Upload, and then you search for the files on your computer. Once you find the file, you click Open, and it'll automatically upload it and attach it to your document area. Just a note on updating or uploading your files and how you should name them. Every year that you use the same outcome, all of the evidence files will show up under that year. To keep the evidence file accurate with the year that you are associating it with, I suggest that when you name your file that you put the academic year for that evidence file first and then the brief description. To show you an example of what I mean, this outcome was measured in these 3 different academic years. By putting the academic year in the beginning, I would know that this file of evidence went with 15-16 academic year when this outcome was measured, and this one went with 18-19, and these two went with 19-20. This just helps distinguish which file goes with which measure for that particular academic year. And that wraps up uploading evidence files.